Hello, everyone, and welcome to this hands on workshop on generative AI and prompt engineering from fundamentals to practical applications. As we all know, artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, and generative AI has become one of the most powerful technologies which are available today. Throughout this session, we will explore what generative AI is, how prompt engineering exactly works, and how you can use these skills to improve productivity, automate repetitive tasks, create content, and solve real business problems. So, by the way, let's get started. Before learning prompt engineering, let's first understand what exactly is generative AI. Unlike traditional AI, which mainly analyzes or classifies information, generative AI creates new content such as text, images, videos, codes, and all. Popular models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and all use larger language models or LLMs, which are trained on massive amounts of data to understand context and generate a human like response. Today, organizations are using generative AI for customer support, software development, marketing, education, cybersecurity, and business automation. However, the quality of AI output depends heavily on one important skill, which is writing effective prompts. So, what exactly is a prompt? You can say a prompt is simply the instructions that we give to an AI model. A good prompt should clearly define the role you want the AI to play, the task you want completed, the context in which the whole scenario should be set up, whether you have any constraints to be kept in mind, and the desired output format. So, as an example, instead of asking something vague like, write a a article about cybersecurity or write a article about digital marketing, a much better prompt would be act as a cybersecurity consultant, write a 500 word beginner friendly article explaining phishing attacks using real world examples. So from the second prompt itself you can feel like, it is a much detailed one. It clearly states what role the AI should play, what tasks the AI should complete, what should be the context, and what should be the constraint you have to keep. If we are not mentioning it like, as a beginner friendly article, the AI can include advanced or intermediate level contents as well in this article which is being prepared by the AI. So we give all these contexts and details in our prompt so that the AI will analyze this prompt and exactly give us the desired output in the format which we require. In this slide, I have included a couple of exercises which you guys can work out. And if you have any doubts or need any support in completing these exercises, you can surely ask in the comment box, or you can reach out to me through LinkedIn or Instagram or even through WhatsApp for asking or clearing any doubts. Okay, so I have kept five exercises from five different niches. One is for basic simple question prompting, one is for content generation, one is for summarization, one is for data extraction, and the last one is for image generation. So, good luck. So, once you have mastered basic prompting, you can explore advanced techniques as well, which includes but not limited to chain of thoughts prompting, role based prompting, few shot prompting, structured output generation, prompt chaining, and iterative refinement. These methods allow AI to solve complex problems, generate higher quality responses, write better code, analyze data, and perform sophisticated reasoning as well. Professional AI users rely on these techniques to achieve consistent production quality results. Even the presentation which you are seeing now was a result of this iterative refinement, also chain of thought prompting, and also structured output generation prompting. To conclude, generative AI is becoming an essential skill across every industry. Success with AI isn't just about using powerful models, it's about asking the right questions through effective prompt engineering. I encourage you to continue experimenting, refining your prompts, and exploring practical use cases in your own work. Thank you for participating in this workshop. I hope today's session gives you the confidence to start building smarter, faster, and more creative AI powered solutions. Thank you, and I wish you all the best on your AI journey.